Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P08B5, indicates an issue with the clutch pedal position sensor B circuit related to range or performance in the Honda Civic models from 2022 onwards. This code is stored when the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects that the output signal from the clutch pedal stroke sensor B does not meet specific parameter values necessary for proper vehicle operation. The clutch pedal stroke sensor is crucial for measuring how far the clutch pedal is depressed to help control the vehicle's acceleration and deceleration smoothly. This sensor sends voltage signal changes to the Vehicle Stability Assist (VSA) modulator control unit, which processes this information and determines if the vehicle system is functioning accurately. If this signal deviates from acceptable limits, the PCM signifies this through the P08B5 DTC. Understanding the components involved, their locations, and interactions is critical for an effective troubleshooting strategy. The clutch pedal stroke sensor is an integral part of the clutch system in the Honda Civic. This sensor measures the position or stroke of the clutch pedal and sends digital signals to the VSA modulator control unit located underneath the dashboard. The VSA modulator control unit interprets the sensor's input to adjust engine performance and optimize the vehicle's stability control. If the data from the clutch pedal stroke sensor falls outside the specified range, it triggers DTC P08B5. The PCM can then store this code to indicate a malfunction within the system, suggesting that the sensors or the modulator control might be faulty. A visual inspection of these components is necessary to identify any physical damage or disconnections that might be causing the abnormal signals. Reviewing the circuit diagram can assist in locating wiring issues as well. There are several potential causes for the P08B5 code. The most common issue is a faulty clutch pedal stroke sensor, which could be due to wear or internal failure, leading to incorrect signal readings. Wiring issues, such as short circuits, disconnections, or corroded connectors, can also disrupt communication between the sensor and the VSA modulator. This condition can generate erroneous output readings that the PCM interprets as abnormal performance. Furthermore, if the VSA modulator control unit itself malfunctions, it may not process the signal from the clutch pedal correctly, causing the DTC to trigger. Identifying the exact cause requires a systematic inspection of both the pedal sensor and the VSA modulator components, making sure that all connections and wiring are in good condition. The symptoms associated with the P08B5 DTC can significantly impact vehicle performance. One of the most common signs is the illumination of the malfunction indicator lamp on the dashboard. Drivers might also notice poor acceleration response, where the vehicle does not accelerate as expected when the clutch pedal is depressed. This can be particularly disconcerting during shifting or starting from a stop. Additionally, unusual clutch behavior, such as the clutch engaging or disengaging unexpectedly, may occur. These symptoms indicate that the clutch pedal signal is not being handled correctly, leading to potential safety issues. It is crucial for technicians to pay close attention to these signs during diagnostic procedures as they guide towards the root cause of the issue. The first step in troubleshooting the DTC P08B5 is to ensure the vehicle's ignition is in the on position. This activates the electrical systems necessary for diagnostic checks. Once in this position, the technician should verify that the output signal from the clutch pedal stroke sensor is correctly being transmitted to the VSA modulator control unit. This is paramount because if the signal sent is out of range, the PCM will register this anomaly, thereby flagging the P08B5 code. This initial check allows you to determine if the sensor is functional or if further investigation is required. Proper diagnostic tools, such as a scan tool or multimeter, may be necessary to accurately measure the signal levels and confirm whether they fall within the required specifications. In the second troubleshooting step, the focus shifts to the clutch pedal linkage connected to the clutch pedal stroke sensor. Inspecting the linkage is essential because a loose or damaged connection could lead to erroneous signal readings. The technician needs to ensure that the pin linking the clutch pedal to the sensor is secure and intact. Normal conditions dictate that the pin must not come off. Failure in this area may indicate linkage failure and can be a cause for the DTC. If there are any discrepancies in the linkage, repairs should be made before proceeding to further tests. This verification lays a foundation for understanding whether the sensor is indeed functioning properly, or if more complex diagnostics are needed. The third step involves inspecting the clutch pedal stroke sensor itself. Since there is no direct method to test this component, the most effective approach is to use a known good clutch pedal for comparison. By installing an alternative functional sensor, the technician can reproduce the failure conditions. If the same symptoms persist with the known good sensor, it suggests that other related components may be malfunctioning. Conversely, if the DTC and symptoms clear with the new sensor, it indicates that the original clutch pedal stroke sensor is faulty and requires replacement. This approach effectively isolates the problem and ensures accurate diagnostics by ruling out the sensor's functionality. In the fourth troubleshooting step, the technician inspects the VSA modulator control unit. Assuming the previous inspection shows normal operation for the other components, the focus can shift to the VSA modulator as the potential source of error. This unit plays a critical role in processing signals from the clutch pedal stroke sensor, making it essential to ensure its proper function. If issues are identified during the testing phase, it may be determined that the modulator is failing, leading to the triggering of DTC P08B5. It may involve additional testing procedures, such as verifying power supply and ground connections to confirm the unit's operational integrity. Establishing that the VSA modulator control unit is at fault dictates that necessary repairs or replacements can begin, thereby resolving the underlying issue. After all diagnostic and repair steps are completed, a final verification process is essential to establish the successful resolution of the DTC P08B5. This involves rechecking for any DTC codes using a diagnostic scan tool. If the P08B5 does not reappear, it confirms that the repairs applied were effective. The technician should also ensure that the system operates properly under various conditions. For instance, checking clutch operation during actual driving scenarios, confirming that there are no warning indicators and that the vehicle performs smoothly is vital. This step not only ensures the issue is resolved, but also restores the driver's confidence in the vehicle's performance and safety. Preventive maintenance is crucial in avoiding the recurrence of DTC P08B5 and related issues in the future. Regular inspections of the clutch pedal stroke sensor, clutch pedal linkage, and VSA modulator control unit can help detect wear or potential faults before they lead to failures. Technicians should ensure that all electrical connections are clean and free from corrosion, as dirty contacts can disrupt electrical signals and affect performance. Additionally, conducting periodic system diagnostics can help identify emerging concerns proactively. Following the manufacturer's maintenance schedule and guidelines ensures that the vehicle operates at optimal conditions, minimizing the risk of DTCs arising again. In summary, understanding the components related to DTC P08B5 is key to effective troubleshooting and repair. The clutch pedal stroke sensor, its connection to the VSA modulator control unit, and their roles play a significant part in vehicle performance. Following a structured approach through the provided troubleshooting steps allows technicians to accurately identify and rectify the issues causing the DTC. Conducting thorough inspections and making necessary repairs can restore vehicle function and safety. Finally, implementing preventive maintenance measures ensures longevity and reliability of the vehicle systems, ultimately preventing the onset of such DTCs in the future. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.